Let's talk about how we can make money trading around the Fed interest rate decision. We'll look at the probability for a 25 versus 50, etc. Basis point rate cuts and the current predictions in the Fed rate monitoring tool and also in the CME watch tool. And we have a variety of videos on how you can use these tools to track the probability of various interest rate hikes or cuts as time goes on. Again, you can find links to those videos um, in our notes. Also, we have links to all of these tools in the reference link section under links on our homepage. Again, our homepage is beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. So if you go to the reference links, you can find a link to the CME FedWatch tool and the Fed rate monitoring tool at any time. So again, you can monitor the probability for various Fed interest rate decisions at any time. As economic data comes out, they always change. So again, we'll take a look at that in a second. Okay, first we'll look at the Fed rate monitor tool, see what it says in terms of the probability of a 25 versus 50 basis point cut on Wednesday. So let's see, we've got a countdown clock. Let's see, 4 days till the decision. And if we look at the September Federal Reserve interest rate decision for this September, you can see right now it's showing a 50-50 chance of a 25 versus 50 basis point cut. Thought it was interesting. So again, 0% chance they're not going to cut. Again, they've been telegraphing that pretty clearly. They want to cut. They're planning to cut. It's just a matter of, the degree and the rate to which they're going to cut. And right now, again, the Fed rate monitor tool says it's a 50-50 chance we'll get a 25 versus 50 basis point cut on Wednesday. It's interesting that that probability was 70% for a 25 basis point cut, 30% for a 50 just last week. So based on just a day ago, again, moved down from 56% down to 50% for a 50 basis point cut. So based on the economic data as it comes out, these probabilities will shift. And again, right now the market's thinking 50-50. Now, again, not financial advice, but my opinion, somebody's going to be disappointed no matter what they do. Again, in my humble opinion, I think they're going to go 25 basis points. I don't see that the data supports the need for a more drastic cut. Job market's not really deteriorating that rapidly. Inflation's still higher than what they would like. So again, in my humble opinion, I think they're going to go 25. Then they can wait and see the effect of that. It'll give them also more time, 2 months, to see the impact and collect more economic data. So I think we'll get a 25. Again, that's my opinion. Uh, not financial advice. And again, I think somebody in the market's going to be disappointed no matter what they decide. If they only go 25, I think your small caps, your high growth, etc., that we're kind of counting on bigger, faster rate cuts might see a downturn. If we do get a 50, as several commentators are pointing out, I think people are going to wonder what the Fed sees that we don't see, that the economy's worse than what we think. And I think we might get a negative reaction if they go 50. So again, I think this will be a significant source of volatility, not just the decision, but also we get their dot plot, their trajectory. So that will be interesting. Are they going to go slow or steep? And my humble opinion, I think that's almost more important than the initial rate cut. But I think just the fact they're lifting off, starting cuts will be perceived as positive, or at least some sectors in the markets, and some are going to be disappointed, probably that they didn't cut more. So again, that's my opinion for the September rate cut. So in my opinion, be prepared, position your trades, protect your profits, etc. But again, I think it'll be a volatile um, meeting decision, and then what Powell actually says based on their decision, their dot plot going forward. We just quickly look at November and December. So as of November, there's no chance they're just going to do 25. We've got a 25% chance of 250 basis points of cuts, 50% chance of 3 basis points of cuts, and a 24% chance of a whole point, 100 basis points of cuts. Look at December very quickly. So 75, 10%, 100, 35%. Maybe even got 125, 125 basis points is the highest probability, which is ahead of what the Fed has previously said they would cut for this year. So again, the market's pricing in more rate cuts than the Fed has told us so far. So again, potential source of disappointment, and market may react negatively to that. So I hope that all helps. Let's quickly also look at the same thing in the CME FedWatch tool. So again, we've got a countdown clock. We can see that. We can jump between the months. So again, we've got a 50-50 chance of a 25 versus 50 basis point in September. We go to November and got some 50% chance of 75 basis point cut. Only 23% chance of 50 basis points, and 27% chance of 100. And for December, 75 basis points, small, 100 basis points, a third, 125. So again, they're pricing in more, and 150 basis points, almost 17%. So again, the market's pricing in significantly more rate cuts than the Fed has told us they're going to do. And again, I think there's a source for potential volatility, disappointment in that. Also, when we get the new dot plot, we'll be able to see their new dot plot in CME FedWatch tool. So again, 2024, their mean projection, was 5. So that's only 250 basis points, 225 basis point cuts. So again, the market's gotten quite a bit ahead of what the Fed's told us in the past, and again, potential source of disappointment, volatility. So again, be prepared, protect your profits, trade accordingly. I hope that all helps. Again, we expect them to start cutting rates. It's just a matter of degree. Again, I've given you my opinion. I think they're only going to go 25 this time. And then I think the dot plot will give us the new trajectory of how many cuts, how soon we think they're going to go going forward. We've talked several times about how to make money trading when the Fed starts cutting rates, and which sectors will benefit from those rate cuts, and how to take advantage of that, how to make money trading. Again, we expect them to start cutting. It's just a matter of how much, how fast. So you can listen to those videos on how to make money trading as they start cutting via the bonus links to those videos in our notes. Also been talking about how to make money trading in 2024 and September 2024, as well as September in general. Talked about the September effect, the late September swoon, etc. So again, be aware of the typical historical seasonality, typical trends in the markets in September, and the end of the summer, and then we'll start talking about trends, seasonality effects going into the fall in the very near future. Let me grab a quick drink, and if there's anyone who has any last minute questions, comments, etc., very quickly address those. If I missed your question previously, please throw that back up in the chat. Helen Krantz asks, has AI made any money yet? That's a good question, and that's something to listen for in the earnings and conference calls of the earnings of the AI related companies, is how much are they spending and how much are they actually making. And I think that was part of the source of the disappointment in Adobe's earnings, is they're trying to focus on some of their AI tools, add-ons, etc. And I think they've been disappointed at how they can actually make money with those AI features, tools, etc. So again, listen to their earnings reports, their guidance going forward, and that is a good question. Who other than like Microsoft with Copilot and NVIDIA with their chips, and we saw Oracle selling data center capacity, who's actually making money with AI. So if anyone else has any further questions, please put them in the comments to this video or any of our videos. If you have any questions, comments, etc. for us, stocks you would like us to take a look at, again, questions you'd like to answer, how we can help you make money trading, how you can succeed in your trading career. Also, again, we'd love to have you join our Discord, actively participate in our Discord. Again, you can ask us any questions in there. We have variety of channels on various trading styles, trading different assets. And you can tag us in the Discord. We're BeachBum Trading, all lowercase, other characters, numbers, etc. And again, we would not send you friend invites or direct messages without letting you know in advance. Anyone else is a scammer, and please report and ignore them. And again, please let us know, what we can do to improve our weekly trading game plans, any of our tools, our Google Sheets, if you have ETFs, etc. you'd like us to add, or again, anything else we can do to add more value for all of our BeachBum traders. Please let us know. Otherwise, again, tomorrow, we hope you like this content. We hope you'll smash the like button on our videos, help us try to get the algorithm to show us some love. And we'd really appreciate it if you would share our content, repost our content, etc. Share it directly with your fellow traders. Let's continue to build our BeachBum trading community for the mutual benefit of all of our fellow BeachBum traders. So,
the content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the Beach Bum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the Beach Bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new Beach Bum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support Beach Bum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our Beach Bum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for Beach Bum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support Beach Bum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow Beach Bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our Beach Bum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.